Imagine a vast, interconnected web of information, a digital cosmos, where every click, search, and interaction contributes to an ever-expanding universe of data. A digital universe where billions of searches occur every day, each one a tiny ripple in the vast ocean of the internet. This is the realm of search algorithms used by platforms like Google, YouTube, and other content providers, complex systems often compared to the enigmatic principles of quantum mechanics, where the unseen forces of data shape our online experiences. Like subatomic particles existing in multiple states, these algorithms analyze countless data points simultaneously, processing information at lightning speed. They weave together a tapestry of relevance, ranking content based on an intricate dance of factors, from keywords to user behavior, creating a seamless search experience. But what if this delicate balance holds secrets that could change the world? When the algorithm's harmony is thrown into chaos, what are the implications when a system so powerful becomes vulnerable to manipulation? When bad actors exploit its weaknesses? This exploration delves into the fascinating yet potentially world-changing depths of search algorithms, uncovering the layers of complexity that govern our digital lives. We will explore their strengths and weaknesses, their resemblance to quantum systems, and the potential for exploitation, revealing the hidden dynamics at play. The irony of this being purely AI-generated is not lost on us. As we delve into the complexities of Google's algorithm, it's worth noting that this very video is a product of sophisticated AI technology. Let's explore how these systems, while powerful, are not without their quirks and vulnerabilities. Join us as we embark on a journey to understand the mysterious depths of these digital behemoths and the crucial need for safeguards in an era defined by information, ensuring a secure and fair digital future for all. #Google algorithm, #quantum tech, #tech mystery, #innovation, #future tech. As we step into the quantum age, data processing takes on a whole new dimension. Google's algorithm is at the forefront of this revolution. These algorithms operate on a scale and complexity that mirrors the interconnectedness of the quantum world. They process information holistically, considering a multitude of factors simultaneously. This interconnected nature allows for a nuanced understanding of user intent and context. It's what enables these platforms to return highly relevant search results, even from vague or complex queries. Think of them as giant neural networks, constantly learning and evolving. Each search query, each click, each interaction provides valuable data. This data in turn refines each algorithm's understanding of the digital landscape. Discover the groundbreaking advancements and potential pitfalls of data processing in the quantum era. #quantum age, #data processing, #tech revolution, #Google algorithm, #future tech. In today's digital age, Google's algorithm stands as a beacon of technological prowess. However, beneath its sophisticated exterior lies a labyrinth of potential vulnerabilities. The interconnected nature of these algorithms means that manipulating even a small number of factors can have a significant ripple effect. Imagine a world where hackers exploit these weaknesses, causing chaos and misinformation. This can lead to skewed search results, favoring certain websites, videos, or specific agendas over others. By creating a network of backlinks, generating artificial traffic, and manipulating social signals, they could potentially game the entire system. This manipulation could have significant consequences, influencing public opinion, spreading misinformation, or silencing dissenting voices across these platforms. It's important to note that the very techniques discussed here are subtly embedded within this video. This serves as a real-time demonstration of how these manipulations can be executed. If this video gains traction, it will be a testament to the very concepts we are warning about. Google's algorithm is not just a tool, it's a reflection of our society. But what happens when this reflection becomes distorted? As the algorithm learns from user behavior, it can inadvertently amplify existing biases. Whether it's Google, YouTube, or any other content provider with similar search algorithms, they all fundamentally operate the same way with their own human tweaks for their specific use. If a particular website or viewpoint is consistently favored by a certain demographic, the algorithm might begin to prioritize that content for similar users. This creates a self-reinforcing cycle where biases are not only reflected but also amplified. This can lead to echo chambers where users are only exposed to information that confirms their existing beliefs. The consequences can be dire, leading to increased polarization, the spread of misinformation, and a distorted perception of reality. Section 5. AI-crafted illusions, the rise of synthetic content. The rapid advancement of artificial intelligence adds another layer of complexity to this issue. AI-powered tools are now capable of generating incredibly realistic and engaging content, from text and images to videos and even audio. While this technology has the potential for good, it also opens up new avenues for manipulation. Imagine a scenario where AI is used to create and disseminate massive amounts of fake news articles, social media posts, or even entire websites. These AI-crafted illusions designed to mimic human-generated content could easily fool both users and the algorithm itself. Detecting and combating this type of sophisticated manipulation requires constant vigilance and the development of ever more sophisticated countermeasures. In the age of synthetic content, Google's algorithm plays a crucial role in shaping our digital landscape. But with great power comes great responsibility. This storyline applies not just to Google, but also to YouTube and any other content provider with similar search algorithms. They all fundamentally operate the same way, with their own human tweaks for their specific use. #synthetic content, #digital reality, #Google. Algorithm, #tech impact, #future tech. Section 6. Pattern recognition, exploiting the algorithm's logic. At its core, search algorithms like those used by Google, YouTube, and other content providers rely on pattern recognition. They analyze vast amounts of data to identify correlations and make predictions about user intent and content relevance. However, this reliance on patterns can also be exploited. Malicious actors can analyze the behavior of these algorithms, identifying patterns and loopholes that can be manipulated to their advantage. By understanding the factors that contribute to high rankings, they can reverse engineer the system, creating content specifically designed to game the algorithm. This can involve keyword stuffing, link schemes, and other black hat SEO tactics that exploit the algorithm's logic for nefarious purposes. Despite the human tweaks each platform may apply, the fundamental principles remain the same. Section 7. The ethical abyss, navigating the uncharted waters of algorithm manipulation. Manipulating Google's algorithm is like navigating uncharted waters. The potential for manipulation of search algorithms, whether on Google, YouTube, or any other content provider, raises profound ethical questions that we must confront head-on. As we become increasingly reliant on these technologies to navigate the digital world, it's crucial to establish clear ethical guidelines and safeguards to protect users. The consequences of inaction are significant, potentially undermining trust in information, exacerbating societal divisions, and eroding the very fabric of our online experience, which we depend on daily. We must ask ourselves, who is responsible for ensuring the integrity of search results in this complex digital landscape? What measures can be taken to prevent manipulation and bias, and who will enforce these measures? How do we balance the need for innovation with the responsibility to protect users from harm, ensuring a fair and just digital environment? These are not easy questions, but they are questions we can no longer afford to ignore in our rapidly evolving digital age. All these platforms fundamentally operate the same way, with their own human tweaks for their specific use. Discover the challenges and opportunities that come with algorithm manipulation. #algorithm manipulation, #tech challenges, #Google algorithm, #digital navigation, #future tech. Section 8. Building a fortress, recommendations for robust safeguards. To protect the integrity of Google's algorithm, robust safeguards are essential. This requires a multi-pronged approach, encompassing technological advancements, ethical considerations, and constant adaptation. It means not only developing cutting-edge technology, but also ensuring that it is used responsibly and ethically. Here are a few key recommendations for ensuring a secure and reliable digital future. Regularly audit the algorithm using independent AI systems to identify and mitigate biases, feedback loops, and manipulation attempts. This helps in maintaining the fairness and accuracy of the search results across all platforms. Increased transparency into the factors that influence search rankings, providing users with a better understanding of how the system works. Transparency builds trust and allows users to make more informed decisions, whether they are using Google, YouTube, or any other service. Implement robust human oversight mechanisms to monitor for and address instances of manipulation, bias, and unintended consequences. Human oversight ensures that ethical standards are maintained and that any issues are promptly addressed across all platforms. These are just a few initial steps towards a more secure and trustworthy online experience. By taking these measures, we can create a safer digital environment for everyone, regardless of the platform they use. As technology continues to evolve, so too must our efforts to safeguard against manipulation and ensure that these powerful tools are used for good. Continuous improvement and vigilance are key to maintaining the integrity of our digital world across all content providers. Hashtag safeguards, #digital security, #Google, algorithm future tech cybersecurity. Section 9. The imperative of transparency, shining a light on the black box. One of the most significant challenges in addressing algorithm manipulation is the lack of transparency. Google's algorithm is often seen as a black box, with its inner workings shrouded in secrecy. This opacity makes it difficult to understand how these algorithms arrive at their decisions, let alone identify and address potential biases or manipulation. Increased transparency is crucial for building trust and accountability. By providing users with a better understanding of how these algorithms work, we empower them to make more informed decisions about the information they consume. Transparency also allows for greater scrutiny from researchers, journalists, and the public, which can help identify and mitigate potential problems across all these platforms. Section 10. The human element, the indispensable role of oversight. While technology plays a crucial role in safeguarding algorithms for Google, YouTube, and other content providers, we must not underestimate the importance of human oversight. No matter how sophisticated these algorithms become, they will always be susceptible to unforeseen consequences and novel forms of manipulation. Human experts, with their ability to understand nuance, context, and ethical implications, are essential for identifying and addressing these challenges. The indispensable role of oversight is not just a necessity, but a moral imperative. As we navigate the complexities of online search algorithms, the question remains, who will rise to be the first ethical AI search provider? This is a challenge to all companies to admit their mistakes and own up to a solution. The future of ethical AI is in our hands, and it starts with transparency and accountability. Clause 3S, Section 11, a call to action. As we conclude this deep dive into the quantum enigma of Google's algorithm, the potential vulnerabilities, and the indispensable role of oversight, it's time to ask, what can we do? This isn't just a matter for tech giants and regulators. It's a call to action for all of us. Share this video to spark a conversation, to bring awareness to the importance of robust safeguards in the digital age. By understanding these aspects, we can advocate for transparency and accountability. The future of ethical AI is in our hands. Let's join the discussion and make our voices heard. Together, we can ensure a safer, fairer digital world. Pause 2S. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights into the world of technology and its impact on our lives. Until next time, stay informed and stay vigilant.